Okay, welcome back. So we have the core support that is from the scrapyard that is straight. The headlight buckets have been pulled, these blue bits here have been pulled forward. All the bolt holes sit and meet. And I've done a quick L bracket. Let me see if I can get some light on that. No. Okay, done a quick L bracket kind of bugger. In there you go. It's just crude and loose for now, or crude and tight for now, because this bash bar here is actually removable. So let's get some focus. So yeah, that bash bar is actually removable. So come next half price scrapyard sale, I may go and pick one up, and it's got those brackets on. So, but that'll be fine for now. JB welded that little tab on there, so that is the charge pipe, so that's going to go over the engine like that, and we're making progress slowly. Game on. Just before we start out on fitting this radiator, look what the dust relocation technician did yesterday with his leaf blower. The fuck? Seriously? Jesus. I looked down this road yesterday and seriously, it was like there was a forest fire. I couldn't even see the end of it and it was dust. What a wanker. Did a little bit of work yesterday and didn't film a bloody thing, but went up to my friend's house and he had a hood off a way earlier car, pre-2004, 2005, but it was the same Mistral green. And it may be a tick off shade wise, but you know what? It's close enough for me and it was free. So we now have a straight hood, but the bumper off the earlier car wouldn't fit, so we're still going to have to play around with that. But right now it is smog time. She is successfully smogged. Now we're on to the next level of social acceptability, and that the upholstery, which is pretty hideous. So grim, I think you would agree. Let's see how good this stuff is. Definitely on the rough side of things. Okay, one seat done. I'm only going to do one. Or should I do mine? It's nice and sunny. So, you know, it's hot, so it'll like dry quickly. That's what I'm hoping for. Okay, let's do the other one as well. I think you'll agree the seats actually came out pretty good. It lightened the stains, it didn't remove them, but for the price of that tin of cleaning stuff, game on. Here she is in her last incarnation of dirty. I hit some of the white paint marks with some rubbing compound, which got them off, and just went across the top of there just to get some of the paint marks off from the previous indiscretion. Here we are. Obviously showed you that dust before from the dust relocation technician. He comes every Monday. Idiot. Right, give her a clean. Considering that's literally just like a quick wet lick, that has come up so well. You can tell this car had such a good life, apart from the crashing and the soda on the seats. It's looking good, so just got to figure out a grill solution soon, and then we'll go and get registration on Monday. Nice. The Volvo S60, the Swede, the S60 T5 is for sale because I need some money for wheels for Betty. So 05 S60 T5, 131,000 miles. If you guys watch the channel, you know she had a small bump on the front, super light, still a clean title, and it's awesome. I love the car to pieces, but with two big dogs and acquiring that for a good price, that makes a lot more sense in our life than unfortunately that or that. So yeah, so she's for sale. She's up for $39.99 right now, basically $4 grand. So by the time this video comes out, she may have been sold, or the price may be lower. What a bargain. She sold! The Swede sold for the betterment of Nathan's garage. She's off to pastures new. Maybe not so greener, but definitely new. And we have cash. So cash means paying some bills and registering Betty and getting wheels. So right now, we're off to AAA and Betty's registration. Yes! Now it's the unfun part. Paying cash out for LA Water and Power and Gas. Boo! This is a very cool part. We're officially going to see some new wheels for Betty. They are used, they're off Craigslist, and I don't know if they're going to fit. They sound good. Let's hope they fit, because they look awesome. So, what I'm going to end this episode on this one, because it's such a high point. Things couldn't really get much better than getting new wheels for Betty. So remember, like, subscribe, Facebook Nathan's Garage, Facebook Frame Swap Faction, and Instagram Nathan's Garage Official. See you in a couple of days. Thanks for watching.